Welcome to your secure thermostat. This model is smart, programmable with app and Wi-Fi connectivity. Press the plus button to put the screen on. The temperature on the left is the current room temperature. On the right is the temperature you want it to be. This has to be higher than the room temperature for your heating to come on. Use the plus button to turn the temperature up. The screen will go off for a few seconds whilst receiving and updating information. You will then see a flame symbol which indicates the heating is now on. Use the minus button to turn the heating down. On installation of your unit, the engineer can set a schedule to suit your lifestyle. If at any time you wish to change the schedule, all you have to do is press the menu button on the top of the unit. Press the plus button. You will then see the word schedule on the screen. Press the home away button. You will then see select day on the screen. Press home away button again and you will see select period. Use the home away to move forward. Use plus or minus button to alter times and temperature. Once you have programmed all 6 periods, then select Yes after period 6. Then use plus button to add more days. And finally press Home Away button to confirm. You will see Schedule copied, which confirms your selection. You will then see Continue copy. Use the plus button to select No, and select No again for continue editing. To change to manual, use the hold function. Press menu button on the top of your unit. Press home away on hold. Use plus button until you see hold until cancel. Press home away and then you are in control of your heating temperature. The screen should now say hold to indicate you are in manual mode. Always remember to use the minus or plus button to turn your screen on. For further help and information, please use the QR code on the unit, which will take you to Secure Thermostat website. Download the app, scan the QR code on the receiver to receive step-by-step instructions to connect your device to your heating controls. Then, press Zone 1 to allow the temperature to be altered. Once changed, press Back in the top left-hand corner. After a few seconds, this will match the temperature on the thermostat. If you choose to use the schedule, you need to press Cancel Hold, and this will change from manual to the preset schedule. To edit, press Edit Schedule in the bottom left corner. You will now see the days, times and temperatures displayed on your screen. Select any one of the temperatures of the day you wish to change, and this will take you to that day. The day will include the full schedule where you are able to edit or delete times and temperatures to suit by selecting the time box, the temperature box, or the X at the end of the line. You can utilise the copy button to select your changes to any other day of the week. Press Back, then press Save to save your changes. Important reminder, there will be a slight delay in your thermostat receiving this information from your app.